These are the top 5 best four-person tents of 2023. Hit the like and subscribe button for more.
This is an introduction to the Sierra Canvas tents. When you shop for a house, you want the most beautiful, sound, well-designed structure available, because it will be your home. That's why we designed the Sierra Canvas tents, so you can enjoy a beautiful, serene, home away from home with your people. The Sierra comes in 3 different sizes: the 12, 16, and 20-foot diameter tents. Each tent is made of treated 100% cotton canvas that keeps the water out, even during a rainstorm. This natural fiber breathes better, which not only discourages condensation, but it holds up for years. You will be leaving this tent to the grandchildren. It's an easy, single-pole, one-person setup. Simply stake out your tent, put the center pole in place, set up the door frame, and guy out your tent. The guy lines are equipped with metal friction locks that will hold your tent up even in high winds. An all-weather skirt runs the full perimeter of the tent. Your A-frame door has canvas outer doors that roll out of the way and tie back to reveal the no-seam mesh screen. Each door type is independent from the other for extra privacy and ventilation options. Let's take a look inside the tent. Each Sierra tent has 4 windows that are gusseted to keep water from seeping in from the corners. They come with 3 built-in weatherproof top vents. The tents have reinforced seams throughout the canvas. Now let's talk about the floor. It's made of a reinforced interwoven polymer. Each seam is welded, not stitched, so any groundwater stays where it belongs, on the outside of the tent. But the coolest thing about this floor is that it zips right off to transform your beautiful tent into stylish canopy. Simply unzip the floor and roll up the walls. Now you're the gathering place for the whole community, whether you're at the beach, a family reunion, or an outdoor festival, because these beautiful tents demand attention. The Sierra Canvas tents, like all TETON Sports product, come with our limited lifetime warranty, which is our promise that you can count on us. If you ever have any issues, please reach out to our awesome customer service team, and we'll get you back outdoors and on the trail. And that's an introduction to the Sierra Canvas tents. Get outdoors and enjoy life.
In some circles, easy is a dirty word. Not here at Kelty, and not in the Discovery Element tent. Made to get up fast and keep going as long as the fun's out. Available in 4 and 6-person models, the Element does contain all the elements of an awesome car camping companion. Start by staking out your tent on a flat, even surface and cross the lightweight fiberglass poles. X marks the spot. Slide the tips into the Kelty quick corners and watch these guys stand on their own. No little blue pill required. Next, raise the tent body and clip everything into place. To set up the rain fly, position your fly with the color-coded corners and snap that sucker in. Now guy it out with the attached guy lines and your tent should be standing tall. The full coverage rain fly keeps Mother Nature out when she's feeling naughty. And it even doubles as a roomy vestibule to keep your stuff, well, you know, out of the elements. When it's time to move out, roll her up and tuck her into the shark mouth duffel. No wrestling required. The new Discovery Element tent from Kelty. Let's take this outside.
The Coleman Sundome is a quick and easy to pitch dome tent, ideal for weekend breaks and touring camping. Combining a generously proportioned sleeping area with a peaked porch, the tent provides comfortable accommodation for couples or small groups on the campsite. Its portable construction features durable yet lightweight fiberglass poles that ensure an optimum balance of strength and stability with a low weight. The tent's proven dome structure, combined with fully adjustable and reflective guy ropes, also ensures it will stand strong in windy conditions. Once set up, the Sundome offers generous head height for increased comfort. A large mesh window with adjustable cover on the back provides excellent airflow through the tent and also gives a view of your surroundings. The large, D-shaped front door with mesh ensures easy entry and exit, while the peak over the door creates a sheltered area when entering the tent in a shower. The convenient doormat offers an ideal space for kicking off shoes and boots. The tent's durable construction features large mesh panels for enhanced air circulation and a more comfortable interior temperature. For extra protection from heavy dew or unexpected rain showers, the Sundome incorporates a protective flysheet with a 600mm hydrostatic head. The tough and durable polyethylene ground sheet has welded seams to ensure a dry and bug-free interior. For peace of mind, all fabrics are fire retardant. 2 storage pockets along with lighting loops make it easy to keep the tent tidy and organized, while the power cord vent allows you to run power inside the tent to operate some extra home comforts. Easy to pitch thanks to Coleman's ring and pin pole system, the Sundome can be effortlessly set up in around 5 minutes. Remove from the bag. Lay out the tent and loosely peg out the 4 corners. Assemble the fiberglass poles and insert the 2 long poles into the pole sleeves. The pole sleeves cross at the top of the tent. Insert the pins into the pole ends on one side. Then push to form the dome and insert the pins into the other ends of the poles. Clip the tent to the poles. Lay out the flysheet. Put the last pole through the Velcro tabs and place the ends into the webbing pockets. Take the flysheet over the tent. The back of the flysheet is labeled. Attach the flysheet's Velcro tabs to the poles to secure and then hook to the ring at ground level. Tension and tighten the pegs if required, and then peg out the 2 guy lines. Finally, add the doormat and secure with pegs. The Coleman Sundome is available in 2, 3, 4 or 6-person models.
At Nemo, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is our Victory Screenhouse, a luxury freestanding hangout shelter designed to add comfort and convenience to any group gathering, from car camping adventures and backyard barbecues to day picnics in the sun. Its unique shape is both visually appealing and affords standing height roominess from the entryway to the interior for unparalleled comfort and ease. Victory Screenhouse's streamlined pole configuration and pole sleeves simplify setup so you can spend more time relaxing at camp. Rain gutter style roof patterning eliminates water pooling during heavy rains, and larger diameter aluminum poles keep your shelter upright when winds pick up. We use the most durable water-resistant fabrics like our rugged 75D PEU polyester throughout the canopy for a rainproof shelter that affords greater longevity. And a step pad enables one-handed entry with ease, so you can carry what you need into the shelter. Large no-seam mesh walls offer more space, great views and ventilation, and plenty of protection from bugs and the sun. A large floor plan offers 100 square feet of space and is designed to pair perfectly with our Victory Blanket XL for a cozy camp floor. And stake point grommets make setting up both together easy, while reinforced exterior webbing guy-outs can be secured for a durable windproof design. Full-length zippers allow large doors to be rolled and secured for large entrances at each end. And multiple internal stash pockets provide safe places for glasses or phones, and a reinforced loop on the ceiling allows you to hang a lantern for a cozy glow at night. For anyone looking to up their camp game or add bug-free coziness to their backyard barbecues, Victory Screenhouse is the cavernous and durable gathering spot that you've been waiting for. And like all Nemo products, your Screenhouse comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures.
Hi, I'm Molly with Big Agnes, and I'm here to tell you about the new Spicer Peak 4 and 6. The Spicer Peak tent is a 3-season, freestanding, solid structure for car camping, trailhead campgrounds, long weekends on the river, and other styles of camping where comfort and room to spread out is a priority. What makes the Spicer Peak so great? The simple family camping style tent is equipped with a super strong frame and full coverage rainfly for all 3-season weather situations. The Spicer Peak sits between the big house and the bunkhouse in our car camping family of tents, following the same family camp sizing with a full rainfly, but simpler feature set like the doghouse. The Spicer Peak also has larger diameter poles for a stronger, more high-volume dome-shaped structure than our big house, featuring 2 large doors and 2 vestibules, plus plenty of mesh for ventilation on hot summer nights. These double-wall family tents make the ideal base camp for all of your front country adventures. Spicer Peak tents go up quickly and easily in all conditions, with color-coded webbing and buckles to make setup a snap, even if you pull up into the campsite after dark. These tents are ready to pitch under the light of a headlamp, with reflective guy lines and reflective webbing. Secure the Velcro tabs that connect the fly to the pole structure to provide perfect pitch and extra stability. The high-volume architecture creates a spacious, stable dome with enough headroom to comfortably change inside, or for spending the afternoon under cover to wait out a storm. Inside, you'll find multiple interior loops for attaching gear lofts, accessories, and mountain glow tent and camp lights. Plus, plenty of built-in storage on the walls and ceiling to stash all of your grab-and-go items easily within reach. The fly and floor are polyester taffeta, and the tent body is a nylon mesh for breathability with protection from the elements. As always, we recommend using a Big Agnes footprint to extend the life of your tent floor, sold separately, which is a must-have for setting up in fast fly mode to use as a shelter around the campsite or at the park on a sunny summer day. Spacious enough for the whole family to find shelter on summer road trips, in the mountains, or on the river. The Spicer Peak tents are sturdy, dependable, and can fit the whole family.